Most training programs don't fail because of content. They fail because of structure. I'm Onitọla, and I design structured training programs that actually work. And the problem is, on the surface, everything looks fine. There are slides, there are activities, there's even an assessment. But when you look closely, it doesn't actually work. Here's what usually goes wrong. First, there are no clear learning outcomes, so nobody really knows what participants are supposed to be able to do. Second, the teaching doesn't match the outcomes. You might be teaching theory, but expecting practical performance. And third, the assessment doesn't measure anything meaningful. It looks like an assessment, but it doesn't actually test competence. I've seen this repeatedly in real programs, and I've had to fix it more times than I can count. And the truth is, it's not usually a lack of effort. It's a lack of structure. A training program has 3 core parts: learning outcomes, teaching and learning activities, and assessment. And these 3 things must work together, not separately, not loosely connected, but intentionally aligned. So here's how you fix it. Step 1, define clear learning outcomes. What should participants be able to do at the end? Step 2, align your teaching to those outcomes. If the outcome is practical, your teaching must be practical. Step 3, align your assessment. Your assessment should directly measure the outcome, nothing else. If these 3 are not aligned, the training will not work, no matter how good it looks on paper. That's how you design training that actually works. If you need help structuring a program or improving training delivery, you can reach out to me directly. And I'll see you in the next video on designing effective learning outcomes.